One of the best looking SUVs available on the market today is the Range Rover Sport, and that is a fact, and this is a cracking example of it. This is a D300 Dynamic SE, finished in my favourite colour, which is Borasco Grey, and with that black pack on it, it just looks absolutely stunning. So the black pack gives it gloss black badges, you've got those lovely bright LEDs, the gloss black grille, but the front end on this is one of the best I've ever seen on an SUV. So you've just got that lovely sleek curving look, LEDs, nice and thin headlights, and then when you get to the side of this, you just see the full width of the car. This one's got the upgraded 22-inch diamond cut alloy wheels in a matte kind of grey finish. They look lovely against that Borasco grey paint. Gloss black accents again, so down the side, mirrors, B-pillars, privacy glass, and you've got a full sliding panoramic roof on this one. Door handles which come out and obviously sit very sleek when you go to the side of them. In the front, you've got electrically adjustable seats with memory settings, but then you've also got electrically adjustable seats in the rear, so just the pinnacle of luxury when it comes to SUVs, Range Rover. They've just got that market completely boxed off, and they just look stunning front, back, inside out. Electric deployable tow bar on this one, so if you are going to use it as a leisure vehicle, it does have the performance to tow a caravan or whatever it might be. Bike rack on the back of there. 3D camera, 360 camera, front and rear sensors, but I'll show you on the interior. You might notice it when it's stood up there. Power tailgate, so huge boot space on these. They can be used, they're a very user-friendly vehicle, but they look unbelievable at the same time, and they're great to drive. Then we get in it, and before we jump in, so you've got the electrical adjustable seats, like I mentioned, memory settings, and then you've got that lovely, stunning interior, so leather all the way across, and that big, sleek screen. So this one's got just over 15,000 miles. It's got manufacturer's warranty till 2026, so peace of mind as far as that's concerned. And then when you jump in, so out of all the SUVs I've driven, this one for me just beats the lot. So the look unbelievable, really sporty on the road, then it's just luxury when you jump in. So very bright digital display, fixed roofs, sorry, full panoramic roof, which I'll open up for you now. So that literally goes all the way back, and then you can open the visor as well. So if you have got any children in the back, it just opens up this full cabin. Huge display in the centre which displays everything, so navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Media, whatever it might be, all come up in that section there. But it also displays your cameras which we mentioned, so you've got rear view camera, aerial camera, you've even got a 3D as well, and different modes if you do end up towing and whatnot. Like I said, this has got the ability to do it. Heated front seats, all controlled from this section down here, and then you've got just nice cubby holes as well, so USB sockets, whatever it might be that you need to be charging. It is capable of going off-road should you wish to. I think it's far too good looking to be going off-road, but you can. It's got off-road modes, all-terrain, you can do all that. The mileage is exactly 15,396, and this is a car that's well known to ourselves. We can sell these times and time again, and I can see why. They're a good-looking car inside and out. Drive great, 300 brake horsepower, sorry. SUV with plenty of space, plenty of style, and at great value. These are considerably less than what they used to be. So if you're looking for a great looking SUV, the Range Rover Sport will pop up every single time, but Borasco Grey for me is definitely my favourite colour. So if you're searching for a great looking SUV and a Range Rover Sport of that, then please contact myself. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.